We are live.
Start?
Yes.
Yeah. Amit, start. Good evening to all. I'm Sandeep Taude from Novelty Health Shine. At the outset, my Doctor Day wishes to all doctors on this dedicated day. My salute to each and every doctors across the globe who selflessly fighting against this COVID-19 and something beyond words or message can express. When it's stress and concern all around about the uncertainty that as pandemic has caused and new rules are coming, making a reason to laugh will surely lighten the air. And it is said that the laughter is the best medicine. So today I'm sure that you will have lots of reason to laugh. I welcome Dr. S.K. Tagi, eminent hepatologist from Meerut, and sir has done a lot of research in hepatology. And today with us, and Dr. Tagi sir is uh, he's having this humorous session, and I can tell you, he can make you laughter into splits by sharing some of these anecdotes related to humors in medicine. And to moderate this session, we are having Dr. N.H. Banka sir, who is a leading gastroenterologist from the Mumbai, who we call the Bollywood doctors. I am sure will not just a moderator, but he'll add spice with Dr. Tagi sir in the sessions. So I also welcome the audience across the country from Jammu to Cochin and Northeast to enjoy this session on this special Doctors Day, because doctors are God sent to keep us all healthy and spreading smiles and happiness. With this, I welcome you all once again, and I am handing over this session to Dr. N.H. Banka sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. Dr. Banka sir, it's over to you.
Thank you, Sandeep. It's such a pleasure to have this webinar organized by the Global Chief of Novelty Healthcare. It so happened that, last week Sandeep was in my clinic and then we were just chatting around. Sandeep said, sir, webinar to bahut ho gaya hai, lekin zara hasate hain hum sab logon ko. And we couldn't think of any other name than, selecting, Dr. Tyagi, who is there with us. So मैंने तो फट करके गया, ठीक है भैया, मैं तो हूं ना, and then let's get going. And then of course we talked to Dr. Tyagi, तो उन्होंने कहा चलिए शुरू करते हैं हम लोग. So this is how this got organized. So I'm so privileged to moderate this. And हमारे सोते जागते खाते पीते गैस्ट्रोन्टोलॉजी में एक ही आदमी दिखता है, मैं तो डॉक्टर त्यागी. और मैं सच्चे दिल से not only gastroenterology but in the life I consider him as guru. So this is dedicated to Dr. Tyagi. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Dev Parabrahma है, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. त्यागी साहब नमस्कार करता हूं आपको, आप उनके आशीर्वाद दीजिए. And let's get going with this. I share these two of the lovely pictures of Dr. Tyagi and Kumi Bhabi. She's full of life. You get so much of inspirations. अगर black and white में थे देखते हैं तो कलर में देखिए क्या बढ़िया दिखते हैं एकदम. Oh my God! See, so these are that makes the life so wonderful and worth living. With this little introduction, me and Dr. Tyagi have some declarations to make. These are the copyright of this webinar is totally given to Sandeep. You can do what you want. You can record it and distribute it, whatever. So we are giving all the copyrights to this. Me and Dr. Tyagi have conflict of interest to be told to you. Number one, we are not on any editorial board of the Playboy magazine. We have not visited Khajuraho anytime. But certainly the major part of training such a webinar is imparted in Thailand. So you can imagine the amount of, the fun and the jokes and the pictures and we're going to share. I think it'll be worth listening and worth sharing this. And we are so privileged to this. So we start the seminar with a prayer or a vandana. This is very important. And this is what whiskey mein Vishnu dikhe. Whiskey mein Vishnu dikhe, rum mein dikhe Ram. बियर में ब्रह्मा दिखे, देसी में हनुमान. सिगरेट में श्याम दिखे, गांजा में घनश्याम. किस किस का हम त्याग करें भाई, हर चीज दिखे भगवान. So friends, with this, this symposium is dedicated to my dear delegates on the Doctor's Day. We are so privileged, me and Dr. Tyagi. Thank you very much, Sandeep, for making this. So I think probably kickstart, me and Dr. Tyagi are Shairana Mizaj ke aadmi. So we start with this with little shari dedicated to our doctor friends. आपके लिए है दोस्तों, नब्ज मेरी देखी और बीमार लिख दिया, रोग मेरा आपने आपका प्यार लिख दिया, कर्जदार रहेंगे हम तो उन हकीमों के जिसने दवा में आपका साथ लिख दिया। आई थिंक ये साथ आज आपका हमारे लिए बहुत प्यारा है और बहुत ही मजेदार रहेगा ये जर्नी। लेट्स गो ऑन टू, हमारी तरफ से आपको कुछ अर्पित है। दोस्ती का हक हम अदा करते हैं, दोस्ती का हक मैं और डॉक्टर त्यागी अदा करते हैं, आपके नाम यह शाम फिदा करते हैं, आपको फूलों का भी जख्म ना आए भाई, खुदा से हम यही दुआ करते हैं। आई थिंक विद दिस वी रियली गेट ऑन टू नाउ, we cannot really move on listening without Dr. Tyagi. Boss, it's all yours.
So just give me time to share my screen, but before I do that, I'm very perplexed because Dr. Banka said हर जगह मुझे डॉक्टर त्यागी दिखते हैं। असल में सुबह से शाम तक डॉक्टर बांका कोलोनोस्कोपी, प्रोक्टोस्कोपी, सिग्मोइडोस्कोपी करते रहते हैं, तो मुझे बड़ा डर लग रहा है कि मैं इनको कहां दिखता रहता हूं। लेकिन चलिए इस डर के साथ हम स्क्रीन शेयर अपनी शुरू करते हैं। और आप लोगों को मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है संदीप?
वेरी नाइस।
ओके, तो देखिए असल में जो डॉक्टर बांका ने आपको मेरे बारे में बताया है, वॉट एवर ही हैज टोल्ड यू अबाउट मी इज दिस। आई वंडर हाउ मेनी पीपल who are listening are from AFMC Pune, where I did my MBBS, or from PGI Chandigarh, where I did unlearned everything that I had learned and had to relearn everything. I am in Meerut, which perhaps some of you may know, the gastroenterologists might know, the orthopedics couldn't care less, and the gynecologist I dare not know. I have a wife who's a gynecologist. I see her face and I say, that's not what I want to see. But nonetheless, with all that, this is the actual me. वो डॉक्टर बंका ने कहां से फोटो दिखाई, I don't know. And humor is to keep your audience awake. And yes, this is me. S.K. Tyagi from village Meerut, state उल्टा प्रदेश। So हमारी तो हर चीज उल्टी रहती है, इसलिए किसी चीज पे आप ध्यान ना दें। और डॉक्टर बंका को अगर असली में इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए तो ये शख्स है जो कि हिमाचल के चीफ मिनिस्टर हो सकते हैं, अगर वहां के नहीं तो ये देखिए ये चेन्नई के चीफ मिनिस्टर हो सकते हैं अगर चाहें। और हुजूर, ये विद कॉमन पीपल दिस ग्रेट मैन कैन हैव फन एंड ही कैन मिक्स अराउंड जस्ट एज ही कैन मिक्स अराउंड विद हीरोइंस and also with VIPs. So he is sort of comfortable with everybody from me down to Mr. Jaitley. He is also very comfortable flying kites as he is giving perfect lectures at very high-fi conferences. We all know that. But Dr. Banka is most comfortable, he is most dedicated to one subject, and that is Lata Banka. This gentleman is my moderator, my partner for the evening, who's going to be sharing and asking me to stop whenever he feels that I must stop. Now, doctors are generally considered कि बहुत serious हैं. They hardly ever laugh. They are supposed to be, very serious kind. And many people have asked me, डॉक्टर साहब आप बहुत हंसते हैं, डॉक्टर हंसते क्यों नहीं? तो मैं उनको ये स्लाइड दिखाता हूं। मैंने कहा बेवकूफों, ये गधा हंस सकता है क्या? इस पे इतना बोझ आपने डाल दिया। कैन दिस डोंकी लाफ? कैन दिस डोंकी बी हैविंग अ स्माइल ऑन द फेस? और वैसे परसेप्शन ठीक है। सबसे बड़ी हिट अगर आप देखें आनंद, तो उसमें भी अमिताभ बच्चन ने हंस के नहीं दिया साहब लास्ट तक। दैट इज द परसेप्शन ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स, एंड दैट परसेप्शन today becomes even more difficult to laugh when we are bearing the burden, the whole burden of this world, Corona, on our shoulders. So any moment that we get to smile or to laugh should be cherished, gentlemen, because these days you have clown doctors. It is believed अगर डॉक्टर थोड़ी सी मस्करापंती कर दें, थोड़ी सी हंसी कर दें, थोड़ा सा लाइट कर दें एटमॉस्फेयर को, तो लोगों के दुख दर्द और आसानी से कम हो जाते हैं. Like several big faculties, I have no secretarial help. तो बांका सर को कितनी सारी हेल्प मिलेगी मुझे पता नहीं. मुझे तो ये सारे काम खुद ही करे हैं जो मैंने अब तक करे हैं. और ये स्लाइड बड़ी तसल्ली से दिखाती है कि आप बड़े लोगों को कितनी हेल्प मिल जाती है डॉक्टर बांका. और मुझे तो ये भी खुद करना पड़ता है. आप सबको वो पुराना जोक तो याद ही होगा पंजाब का, जब वो एक आदमी पेशाब कर रहा था और एक अंग्रेज ने कहा कि अरे तुमको पकड़ते नहीं आप पुलिस वाले? कहते नहीं जी, हमें तो खुद ही पकड़ के करना पड़ता है. पर ये देखिए इनको कितनी मदद मिल जाती है. मुझे ऐसी कोई मदद नहीं. मुझे तो आप लोगों को जगा के रखना है. ये फोटोग्राफ जो है, आई हैव नो पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शंस एज सच. ये 2013 के मैनिफेस्टो में ली गई थी. अगर डॉक्टर बांका को स्पीकर बना देते तो इनमें से सब लोग जगे हुए होते. तो इसलिए every day you have not smiled, you have not lived. So let us live the next few minutes. COVID has taught me many things. Let me confess to you. It has taught me to say namaste instead of shake hands. It has taught me to wash my hands. It has taught me how to dress up for a seminar like this gentleman has dressed up. क्योंकि सिर्फ ऊपर की दिखती है. देखिए नीचे डॉक्टर बंका ने भी यही कच्छा पहना होगा और आप में से आधे लोगों ने भी यही पहना होगा और संदीप ने तो पक्का यही पहन. जो आदमी टाई पहन के वेबिनार करे, आप सर्टन हो सकते हैं कि नीचे उसने कच्छा पहन रखा होगा. अब संदीप से किसी ने जैसे पूछा कि भाई ऊपर से टाई नीचे कच्छा, ऊपर टाई क्या? कहता है जी कोई मिलने आ जाता है, मैं CEO हूं कंपनी का. कहता है और कच्छा क्यों? कह जी कभी कोई मिलने भी नहीं आता. दोनों चीजों की तैयारी है. वेबिनार ने हमें समझा दिया कि हम कितने कम चीजों से अपना काम निकाल सकते हैं. और सिर्फ वेबिनार ही नहीं कच्छा पहन के हो सकता. मैं तो श्योर हूं कि वार्ड राउंड में ये जो PPE किट पहन के लोग निकल रहे हैं, इन्होंने भी नीचे सिर्फ कच्छे ही पहन रखे हैं. क्योंकि 2 घंटे भी ये पहन लो तो पसीना पसीना हो जाता है. सो कोविड हैज टॉट मी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. I don't have to be properly dressed to be in front of these big people, because I cannot, the whole of me will not be seen. What I also know is this is opposite for ladies. When my wife has to do a webinar, वो कहती है my webinar is at 10 o'clock, wake me up for makeup at 9:30. हम लोग कच्छे में ये पूरा मेकअप करके, sorry gynecologists who are there, but you know this is a fact. You people as a species are different from the male species. We couldn't care less, and you could not be anything less than what you truly are. And while I was talking to one of my lady friends, she said, you men are very masochistic. बहुत आप लोग, you don't care about ladies. मैंने कहा जी कैसे? कहता है everywhere you people, you have made this thing कि you should get mammography done for cancer and colonoscopy for this. ये mammography का, मैंने कहा mammography में क्या? कहता है do you know how painful it is? I said no, I don't know, I've never got it done. She says if we were setting the standards, in that case, Mr. Smith, just stick it between these two devices. This is if women ran the world. You would have to put it there, it would be squeezed and a photograph would be taken. This, gentlemen, would be for CA penis and CA scrotum. This is the next that you're getting for device, for screening device for picking up cancer early. I'm sure none of us are going to get into this machine, which we advise so frequently. Not only that, with this, I'm just reminded of a person, you know, who already had 2 children. And while doing one of the surgeries on the scrotum, the surgeon cut off his testes. Now, that wouldn't make much of a difference. We do that for CA prostate. But what really happened was that the man would feel it. You know how conscious, how good we are at scratching the scrotum. So, usko pata to he would have got to know that something is missing. So, the surgeon put in the onions into it. And at discharge, he asked him, please feel everything is all right. You can go home. He felt, he's a doc, very good. I feel even stronger. And he sent him home. About 10 days later, the person came back and said, "Doc, everything is all right." So doc said, "Fine, I have done a good job." So he was about to go when he turned around and said, "Doc, ये सेक्स करते हुए ना आंखों में पानी क्यों आता है मेरे?" Now it was difficult to explain why this chap would always be crying after he had had an intercourse. Or intercourse, have you people noticed? I have noticed in my clinic, many patients will come and whenever they have to talk about anything which is conjugal or about sex, they'll move their chair right next to me. They'll put their mouth very near my ear and say, "Sir, जब corruption करते हैं ना तो बड़ी दिक्कत होती है." So the word that the villagers here in Western UP use for copulation is corruption. Now I really don't know whether that actually should be the right word under certain circumstances or not.
That's nice. That's nice.
Lot of humor these days. Actually, I always envy those who are singers. They are very good. They can sing the same thing that people have heard 321 times. They can sing it once more and get taliyan. But jokes, how dare you repeat the same joke again? Nobody would laugh. That is our problem. और जब से ये दूसरा WhatsApp आया है, I wish government इसको भी बैन कर दे. Everybody knows the joke next day. So it becomes extremely difficult to find new jokes. But fortunately, I am an observer of human beings. और मैं आपको बताऊं, some of the greatest things that I noticed and I laugh at are the slice of life. You know, in PGI, if there are some of you sitting here, the OPD never closes. The OPD is there on 365 days, except Sundays. So cut out 52. So even on Diwali, there's an OPD. And I happened to be on duty on Diwali, and it was my OPD in gastroenterology OPD. And there was a little bench outside the sigmoidoscopy room. The colonoscopy was elsewhere, and that's another story. So there were about 6 people sitting on it, and one by one they would be called inside. And the person said, "यार ये PGI भी बड़ी अजीब चीज है." कहता है, "क्या अजीब चीज है?" कहता, "यार दिवाली के दिन भी ना छोड़ते नहीं." So the other guy said, "तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बाकियों के बाहर बत्ती जलेगी, तेरे अंदर बत्ती जलेगी." So these are true stories which people tell us, and that's really fantastic. I can also tell you one thing. I happen to be going for getting a consultation, giving a consultation slip in the urology department to come and see somebody in gastroenterology department. And as the ward boys had been doing it for a couple of times, but it was not received, I thought I'll do it myself. Rather, I didn't say I'll do it myself. I was a house surgeon, so I better do it myself. So I took it there. And as I was going, crossing the rushed OPD, there was a gentleman who was asking another gentleman, "भाई, तू यहाँ क्यों आया है?" कहता है, "जैसे तू बोलता है ना, वैसे मैं मूतता हूँ." Not just that. Can you have a better description of somebody peeing with a benign prostatic enlargement?
Yeah.
Well, so that is what I learned at PGI. I also learned this from COVID as to how to tie a mask properly, and to tell people who tie the mask like this on the left hand side with their nose out is like wearing an underwear with their penises out. So this really is a way to teach these people. You can always use, when you are talking to patients, my patients ask me, "Sir, ये IBS क्या होता है?" So I told them, IBS तेरी बीवी की तरह होती है. He says, "हाँ जी, बीवी की तरह? IBS?" I said, "और क्या? सारी जिंदगी तंग करेगी पर मारेगी नहीं." He understands it immediately, and never a question is asked about the pathophysiology, कब तक ठीक होगा, क्यों बीमार हूं, nothing. So you learn how to talk when you talk in the same vernacular that people get there. Now, because I can see a nose there, I can also see a penis there. Let me tell you, one of the best jokes that I heard is that, we were passing through Punjab and there was a big hoarding that said, "Come watch the strong Sardar break walnuts with his penis." Okay, it was too tempting. So we all went there, and when Sardarji's turn came, he took out his penis, banged it once on the walnut, and the walnut broke. Wow! Taliyan, taliyan. People threw 5 rupee notes. That time 5 was hell of a lot. Now this was very impressive. After about 25 years, I was crossing the same town, and there was the same board, and there was the same photograph of the Sardar saying, "Come watch Sardarji break coconuts." I said, my God, this man looks the same. 30 years, he was about 50 then. He should be 80 now. So out of sheer curiosity, we bought a ticket and went inside. And sure enough, he put 3 coconuts in front of him, and bang, 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 all 3 coconuts were broken. After the show was over, we asked the Sardarji, "Tusi 80 saal ke ho gaye. How do you manage it?" He said, "पुत्र की करा, पहले तो आप अखरोट तोड़ते थे, अब आप कोकोनट, पुत्र की करा, अब आंख कमजोर हो गई ना, इसलिए कोई बड़ी चीज चाहिए." So sometimes your perception has to be different on what's going on. Now, when doctors come home, their wives talk in the same language, and sometimes the language means something very different. So here is Dr. Banka coming home after several colonoscopies, and Mrs. Banka asks him, "You had a tough day at the orifice," not realizing that the office and the orifice, though meaning the same, mean entirely different. And that reminds me that a few days back, a lady comes to me who had already read everything on the net. And she said, "Doctor, this is my father, and he has had an operation of the heart." I said, "What operation?" "Of the valve, doctor." I said, "Of the valve? Which valve?" "The aortic valve." So I said, "What?" She said, "They changed his aortic valve." I said, "So they must have put in a brand new aortic valve." She said, "Yes." Well, she didn't really get what I was getting to, but that is what it is. Before telling you anything else, gentlemen, let me tell you one more thing that Corona has taught me. Corona has taught me how to have whiskey when you are actually in a webinar. So you take a mug, you take a tea bag, you remove the tea bag from there, you take a little bit of sellotape, and you put the sellotape in such a manner that the tea bag hangs outside, and then you pour your whiskey, and you can have, cheers, Dr. Banka. It still looks like tea to anybody looking at it, and you are quite safe. So neither your wife nor the administrators will get to know that what you are having. They'll all think you are having green tea. So that's another thing that I have been taught by this. Dr. Banka, whenever you want to ask me to stop, you can stop.
No, we go ahead. We're so involved in.
Because, we got a lot of breath tests that are done these days, blood tests that are done these days. I think the only thing that is left behind is getting flatus tests done. I think if we are testing the colon, why do we have to test the breath? We should test the flatus. And that is where the future actually lies. And this is how we envisage what the future is going to be. People are not going to come with test tubes of blood or anything like that. They are just going to come with balloons filled with their flatus, and they'll be handing it over to the doctor to give their fart samples. I'm reminded of a gentleman who had to get a whole lot of tests. You go to a corporate hospital, a whole lot of tests are to be done before you can get admitted. And so he was told कि आपका ये ब्लड टेस्ट होना है, सीमेन टेस्ट होना है, यूरिन टेस्ट होना है. He said, "जी देखो, मैं अपना कच्चा छोड़ जाता हूँ, इसमें सारे सैंपल हैं, आप टेस्ट कर लेना. I am in a bit of a hurry." So a balloon and a kacha is probably going to give you all the tests that are going to be required. Dr. Banka, I am going to steal this from you, though it's a very old one. Medicine has its own language. Gastroenterologists use ALD, CLD, NASH, NAFLD, HE, HAV, HBV, HCV. cardiologists use RSD, CCF, MS, AF, ABS, CAD, and whatnot. The kidney specialists use CKD, and now the new words are influenza-like illness. I don't know why they can't call that influenza-like illness. They say ILI, PPE, IPC, and they go on like this. So I'm just going to show you, if we use these words, what's going to happen to all that is in a letter. So here is a letter from the management to the staff, which says, management has decided to implement a scheme to put workers of 40 years of age on early retirement. This scheme will be known as RAPE, Retire Aged People Early. The person selected to be raped can apply to the management to be eligible for special help after forced termination, the SHAFT scheme. So the persons who have been raped and shafted will be reviewed under the SCREW scheme, which is scheme covering retired early workers. And the person may be raped once, shafted twice, and screwed as many times as the management deems proper. And persons who have been raped can only get aids, that is additional income for dependents. Obviously, persons who have aids will not be shafted or screwed any further by management. So you see, when we use these words, we don't even realize where this is going to take us. And if we start using it, none of this actually means what it means, yet it means exactly what the management means. So this is something we have to realize when we try to make our words this. Now, I want to just, Dr. Banka, before I take a break, is to tell you something about algorithms, flowcharts, and statistics in medicine. So, this is what is an algorithm. It's also known as the downstream effect. You start at one place, then you see the other, you see the third, and finally you see in the fourth level that the effect is happening. So this is a wonderful presentation to show how the flowcharts should be and how algorithms are made. Also, this is another miscommunication you can see. And this is, they were in Ahmedabad, the toilets were a little far, so they had put little stickers leading to the toilet, but no arrow was present. So this actually is Sandeep Taude himself, and he's wondering whether this is the place he has to do it, or he can wait and do it elsewhere. But this was very risky. The miscommunication, Dr. Banka, becomes even worse when you try to do all this WhatsApp and you try to type in English when you are meaning in Hindi. So let us see. There is this mother who is writing to her daughter and she says, "Photo bheji thi, kaisi hai?" The daughter said, "Shakal bekar hai, mom." And mom says, "Chup, ladkon ki shakal nahi dekhte, putar. Gun dekhte hain." Now what she meant was gun. She says, "Gun dekhte hain." And the daughter replies, "Shakal se pata chal gaya ki gun kaisi hai, ma." So words can change. I think if we are writing in Hindi, we should continue in Hindi. If we are writing in English, otherwise it could mean deep trouble. Doctors' handwritings. This is one of the best cartoons I've come across, where they are stranded on an island and they say, "You mean to tell me not one of us can write a word help legibly?" And of course, you also know that the Supreme Court said everybody is going to write in block or is going to type. And you know how it happened? They called a doctor as a witness, and he had to testify that the prescription he had written was his own. And he picked up the prescription, he stared at it, he turned it upside down, he returned it, and he confessed to the justice, "My lord, I'm sorry, I can't read it." That's when they said doctors must write it either in block or otherwise. I think, Dr. Banka, I need to have a bit of my tea.
Not okay. So you have come out of the screen. I can have the share screen now.
You can now share the screen, Dr. Banka. I have come out of it.
Okay, so
एक हम लोग जब भी मिलते हैं ये शायराना अंदाज में, आज तो डॉक्टर त्यागी भूल गए बोलना, उनके बदले मैं भूल रहा हूं, अगर इंसान खुद की बीवी पर हंसता है तो जिंदगी के 10 साल कम हो जाते हैं। भाभी नहीं सुन रही है ना?
सर सुन भी रही है तो कहाँ किसके, अब आज तो जब बिस्की पी ली तो कुछ सुनने दो, अब तो शेर बन गए हम।
मैंने उसको जरा मॉडिफाई किया। आई थिंक
अच्छा।
अगर इंसान खुद पर हंसता है तो जिंदगी के 10 साल बढ़ जाते हैं। तो हमारे में कविराज सत्येंद्र त्यागी जी और कविराज डॉक्टर बंका में ये चलती रहती है। Did you realize, during lockdown, we have a lot of turmoil in the mind and, start thinking how to pass the time and what gives the biggest pleasure. Can you ever think of one thing which gives you greatest pleasure during lockdown? And this is the reality which I want to show you. Just see this. I think this is the only thing which gives pleasure, at least to me, during lockdown. If I can do that, oh my God, it's amazing. Yeah. So, we moved all over the world. It's just fantastic. You go to various countries, you go to Europe, you go to Britain, you go to America, you go to Russia. Every place has its own creative restroom signs. Not all places have the restroom marked, this is the men and this is the women.
And let me confess, Dr. Banka and I have been to about 20 places together.
They're all different?
Yes.
Yeah. So, International Restroom Directory, which I tried to download and show you a couple of them. See, if you go there, you can identify men and women. You can identify, it's very innovative, the men and the women bathrooms. And see this toilet, one of the Scandinavian countries. But the most amazing was following this, this was amazing. This was amazing. And can you believe when you enter in these bathrooms, it's outstanding. They say you pay a little extra $1 and you have automated services. You have to automate the button of that bathroom and you go there and you have automatic mode into that bathroom. You don't have to use your hands and all, this is just fascinating. And then you come out of bathroom, you have the ready dispenser, the soap dispensers. See the amount of fun you have traveling all over the world. This was just fascinating. I thought probably I'll share with you. I think this little cartoon, which, why the men started wearing the clothes. Simple. Why it started. So if you see this right from the early childhood, if you are reading the book without wearing the cloth, it's quite painful sometimes. And then if you have to put books on the table, this is painful. You are peeing and the valve is little loose, the flap is little loose, it falls on. And then, of course, if you're playing the football ground, the cactus around, it's quite painful. So this was what the men started, and this is ALO. In the modern time also, you don't have to go to that line. This is what happens. Pardon me, some of the friends, for this. Dr. Tyagi, this was just amazing. I was a faculty in 90s for Vietnam. I used to go every 3 months to Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi as a faculty in gastroenterology. And the people used to take me around. They took me to one farm and I was amazed. I thought, let me share this. So memoirs of my visit in Vietnam, view the presentation with a clear mind, especially the slides of human anatomy. No dirty mind, please. Could you identify this? So this is, in Vietnamese, is Karela or a pumpkin. It looks like nature is competing with the human being. And look at this. These are the Karelas in Vietnam. They're hanging. A close photograph can mislead you so much. Look at this. Look at this. I think this is just fantastic. Now, to enlighten you a bit, a little statistics analysis of yogas. And this is again a cartoon form. We can't show the human being doing yogas, but the pets got so, the fascinated with this, and the cartoons came with to demonstrate what is Savasana like, what is Sarvangasana like, what is Yog Mudrasana like, what is Vajrasana like, what is Earth Mundasana. See how is a facial expression. You're not only the bend, but facial expression is also very important. Kamar Tod, oh my God. you're approaching approach asan. You have, I mean, Bombay City will have this very, very important for all of them. How do you release your Pavan Muktasan? Pad Nirvasan. This is all come from, I think probably maybe close by in Meerut, I don't know, some big ashrams there. And then this is the last one, the Ling Urjasan. In this particular lecture, after showing all the asanas, you had the machine to count and see what is the audience poll came in this. It's amazing. About 60% of the people had preferred from Pawan Muktasan. Same amount of people had Pad Nirvasan. But look at almost 120% of people had Ling Urjasan. I think these are, this is modern days yogas. You can't really discard them. I mean, they have some truth into that. So I thought probably deviate from a fantastic talk of Dr. Tyagi. Dr. Tyagi, I'm going to come out and you have to take us further now.
Okay, not too much time left, but let us see what we can do best. Okay, we were at the handwritings and shortcuts we've done. Okay, I was going to tell you about the next one. And there are many times when you are at the bedside of a patient and you are very confused and you tell the patient very honestly that I can't find anything wrong. This is a person with alcoholic liver disease. He says, I can't find anything wrong with you. It must be the alcohol, the drink. And the patient says, okay, come back when you are sober, doctor. Now this is not unusual, and I'll tell you why. When I was in PGI, posted to the neurology department, in the OPD, when you have to examine the patient again and again doing exactly the same thing, you stop telling patient what to do. The patient is expected to imitate. So I had this gentleman who I thought had right-sided facial palsy. So I told the patient, I didn't tell him. So I shut my eyes tightly. I did this. He did this. I did. And he did. I did this. And he did this. Now I thought that definitely there was something wrong on the right side. So I again did this. And the patient did this, I did, and the patient did this, I did this, and the patient did this. And now I was sure that there is something wrong on the right side. And I said, Baba ji, ये right side से कब तक आपको टेढ़ा लगने लगा है? कहते डॉक्टर साहब पहली बार तो मुझे नहीं लगा था आपका चेहरा टेढ़ा, लेकिन दूसरी बार में तो डेफिनेटली मुझे भी लगा. So while I'm judging him, he's judging me. And in similar vein, in neurology ward, there was a boy who was admitted with us with cerebellar signs. There was a small tumor which was operated. And every day the doctors would go and say, ये उंगली रखो, इसको touch करो, अपनी नाक touch करो. And he would obviously miss and we would say. He had been in the hospital for about 20 days. When I went in for the rounds, what do I see? His attendant is holding his finger and taking it to his nose, then to his eye. Nose, then to his finger. Nose. I said, ये क्या कर रहे हो? कहते हैं डॉक्टर साहब जब तक ये सुसरा अपनी नाक नहीं छूलेगा मैं इस अस्पताल से घर नहीं जा पाऊंगा. इसको रोज ट्रेनिंग दिलवाता हूँ. Here the gentleman thought that he is just in the hospital till he learns how to touch his nose. Exactly what we don't want people to be doing now. So what are randomized clinical trials? Well, this is a randomized clinical trial. Which drug you want to give, not give, you turn your back, you toss a coin, and that's the randomized clinical trial. Double-blind studies are of two kinds. If you have to give an injection and the patient is blindfolded, that's a single blind study. And if you put the doctor also put a blind, that is a double blind study. Neither the patient knows nor the doctor knows where he is going to put it in. But the true double blind studies, and there are a lot of orthopedicians here, are two orthopedic surgeons reading an ECG. This is a perfect example of true double-blind study. I've already told you the downflow effect, the algorithms studies, and my final slide before we get back to Dr. Banka perhaps is this gentleman is a plastic surgeon from Mexico. He had operated upon the breasts of a patient, and at the end of it, when she noticed, she filed a complaint with the consumer protection people and then went to the courts. In the courts, this doctor stood up and said, I'm extremely sorry, but I see nothing wrong with these breasts. Obviously, it is the same thing. You have to see the way your doctor is seeing, because that's what he did. It's the same thing that when people ask, Doctor Saab, kitni sharab allowed hai? One says, if you are drinking less than your doctor, you are okay. If you are drinking equal to your doctor, you are sort of okay. But if you are drinking more than your doctor, salim mar jayega. So this is exactly what it is. So this doc did a job at best that he could, but the results are what he thought good, but the lady didn't think they are rather good. Well, those of you who really want to see serious literature but still have a laugh, please read the Christmas issue of British Medical Journal. Every year they come out with silly studies that will make you laugh, and they actually publish them. This was a study which was there in 2003. I think this is one of the best ones. Parachute used to prevent death and major trauma related to gravitational challenges. Systemic review of randomized controlled trials. How they did was, I do not know, but the best part is in the end. And it says the contributors to the paper are listed as Gordon C. Smith and Jill P. Pell. The final note said, contributors GCSS had the original idea. JPP tried to talk him out of it. JPP did the first literature search, but GCSS lost it. GCSS drafted the manuscript, but JPP deleted all the best jokes. GCSS is the guarantor, and JPP says it serves him right. Now, this is actually published in British Medical Journal. You can go to what is called as the Christmas issue, and you will see. And therefore, gentlemen, every time you try to praise evidence-based medicine, just think, can parachute save your life? Well, if there is no evidence, clinical evidence, there's no randomized double-blind crossover trial, then you can never say with guarantee that parachutes actually save lives. So that was my final slide. And if you like this presentation, please ask for the slides. They'll be given to you only to make, you have to make the effort. And maybe this is a true photograph from Indian Railways as to how your morning tea without the train stopping is being transferred from one place to the other. Wow. Jugaad is what we live by. And next time, Dr. Banka and I can have just some fun talking about Jugaad. And Dr. Banka, when you said about toilets, I am reminded of AFMC, where the boys' toilets had two writings on the wall. One was, our aim is to keep this toilet clean. Your aim will help. And the second one was, please don't throw cigarettes in the toilets. They are difficult to light later again. So these were the two things that we had at that time.
That was great.
So I remembered these two things being mentioned. And so Sandeep, if Dr. Banka has any closing comments.
Yes. So, if you come out of the screen, I have one or two slides. Sandeep, we have about 15 minutes.
Yeah,
10 minutes?
Yes, you have. Now it's all yours, sir.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Let me share the screen and...
Lalit, beta pani la mere. Pani.
Yes, sir.
Let me go quickly some of the slides. I will skip over this, the lack of time, but I think it's worth, in Indian scenario, दुनिया बदल जाती है पर दोस्त कभी नहीं बदलते हैं. I think this is a fantastic research. Whoever has done it, आप देखिए इंडियन सिनेमा में क्या होता है. ओकेजन इज माँ का, पापा का और दोस्त का. रिजल्ट अगर अच्छा हो तो माँ बोलेगी भगवान की कृपा है भाई, पापा बोलेंगे बेटा किसका है, लेकिन दोस्त हम बोलेगा चल यार दारू पीते हैं. आई थिंक दिस इज अ फैंटास्टिक थीम इन इंडियन सिनेरियो. अगर ओकेजन हुआ, रिजल्ट अगर बुरा हो तो माँ कहेगी आग लगे इस कॉलेज में, बहुत बढ़िया खराब कॉलेज है यार. पापा कहेगा लाड प्यार ने बिगाड़ दिया, लेकिन दोस्त कहेगा चल यार दारू पीते हैं. नौकरी लगने पर माँ कहेगी अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना बेटा, दूर जा रहा है तू. पापा कहेंगे खूब मेहनत से काम करना, लेकिन दोस्त कहेंगे चल यार दारू पीते हैं. नौकरी छूटने पर माँ कहेगी नौकरी ही खराब थी, पापा कहेंगे कोई बात नहीं बेटा दूसरी लग जाएगी, लेकिन दोस्त कहेंगे चल यार दारू पीते हैं. तो ऐसे आई थिंक फॉर एवरी ओकेजन देयर इज अ ओकेजन फॉर दारू पीते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स द फ्रेंड्स रियली लाइवली. सो इसीलिए कहते हैं कि वाट लगी तो क्या, चल दोस्त दारू पीते हैं. So now basically I'm going to come to the end of there were a lot of slides to be shown, but I think this is Sandeep is a fantastic webinar, and as usual Dr. Tyagi made it, but I think it's a time friends for this is how at the end of the talk for this particular webinar, not the serious gapology, and this is what is Sandeep has laid down a wide variety of, you can pick and choose and start pouring your own wine. And I think we had a wonderful time, Sandeep. I don't know if I can really go on to something some other thing, Sandeep. I don't know. I think this will stop here. I have some little movie to be shown. It was fantastic, but I think it will be difficult to drain it now. We are just near the time. Dr. Tyagi.
I just have to tell two things, Dr. Banka. It's always a pleasure sharing the same thing as you. You are so good at communication. I'm quite bad. I actually asked a patient who told me, Doctor साहब, सुबह को टट्टी में मजा नहीं आता ना, साले मजा के लिए थोड़ी तू टट्टी करने जाता है. But I told him, नहीं कोशिश करो, हो जाएगा, मजा आ जाएगा. Again next time मजा नहीं आता. So I told him, अच्छा ऐसे करो. Those days this cable TV had just come. So I said, तुम जाओ बाथरूम में केबल लगाओ. So he came back after 3 weeks. He said, डॉक्टर साहब टट्टी में मजा नहीं आता. मैंने कहा अबे मुझे I remembered this chat. I said केबल लगाया. He said डॉक्टर साहब लगाया. मैंने कहा बात सुन, कौन सा सीरियल देखता है? कहते जी क्या मतलब? मैंने कहा अबे केबल लगाया होगा टेलीविजन में. कहता है सर केबल टेलीविजन में लगाना था. So the communication problems. Similarly, sir, you remember we were all young when PL 480 came, and PL 480 is not just for gehu. PL 480 we got a lot of cows also. And so this village, they had some cows with them, and they said that we need apni gaay hari karwa lete hain, which means that we'll get some insemination done. So they had got lovely bulls in 480. So this gentleman from the forest department, animal husbandry, went and said, भाई देखो वो अंग्रेज आएंगे और यहाँ पे आप अपनी गाय रख लेना, इस कमरे को साफ करना है, धुआं देना है, नीचे पोंछा लगा लेना है, दोबारा से लीपा पोती करके रखना है, और एक बाल्टी गर्म पानी रखना है, और टाट का कपड़ा रखना है अच्छा सफाई के लिए. So the next day when the Angrez Saab came, he was a New Zealander, because these had come from New Zealand, the Jersey cows. And so the villager was showing around, उनका साहब देखिए ये कमरा साफ है, उनका साफ है, उनका देखिए सर इसमें ये गर्म पानी है, कहता है हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक, वेरी गुड. सर ये टाट का कपड़ा है, उनका बिल्कुल बढ़िया. उनका सर देखिए मेरी गाय बिल्कुल साफ सुथरी, मैंने नहाए निला धो के रखी है, कहते हैं हाँ भाई बहुत. और सर वो देखिए दरवाजे के पीछे खूंटी भी है, कहता है खूंटी किस लिए? उनका जी अंग्रेज बाबू अपनी पतलून भी तो टांगेंगे ना कहीं पे. So there are many jokes and many fun that we can have talking about these things.
This is something very innovative. You tend to get. I go for walk early morning at 5:45 every day across my building. There's a beautiful, the street to walk around. It is not a park; it is a street, and I always carry my walking stick with me. This is how think about. And the only company to me, Sandeep, is the street dogs. There are about 6 or 7 dogs which they walk around. You know, earlier I used to go without my stick. And then one day I went with the stick and I found that none of the dogs are following me, you know. Someone has told me these are bloody gastroenterologists walking and be careful. और नली डालने वाला doctor है. वो stick को देख के, you know, I mean, you have funny ideas when you walk around with a stick, you know. So, yeah. So all in all, Sandeep, we enjoyed. Thank you, Dr.
I hope the audience enjoyed, Sandeep, and you
Yes,
might
sir.
get feedbacks.
I'll
You know, I also told in the very beginning, as a singer, you have the music with you. That's your accompaniment. What do we have? Just the company. Our adrenaline is the laughter we hear when we say something funny. But when you are doing a webinar, it's a very new experience. You tell a joke and nobody laughs. Can you imagine how encouraging that is? And despite that, Dr. Banka and I tried to go on and on, not hearing a single laugh for the last 1 hour. Thank you, Sandeep. Nonetheless, I'm sure you'll get the feedback. And even if everybody tells you that they cried, they didn't even laugh once, I know you'll ring up and tell me, sir, क्या fantastic seminar था, everybody enjoyed it.
नहीं यार, मैं उसको कहूँगा फिर से organize करवाए कि webinar हम. Thank you.
दोबारा से कोशिश करेंगे. And call the same people again.
Sandeep, all
Yes,
for you.
sir.
All on
Thank you, Dr. Tyagi and Dr. Banka, sir. I can tell you, this session was filled with humor, and I'm sure that session is going to linger in minds of audience for quite some long time. If not, again, we'll have one more. Okay. I take this opportunity to thank our event manager, Mr. Amit and Ms. Dimple, and my colleague, Mr. Raja.
Why don't they come on the screen? I think they should open their screens.
Yes, so all they have helped. And all India, this doctor audience, they have, in spite of doctors, they have come and they are listening to this, your talk. And not the least, boost up your immunity. We have Cefizing, which is vitamin C with zinc, and Solia D3, you know, sir. So weekly vitamin D3 supplement to keep your hands sanitizing and maintain safe distancing. And I can tell you, see, doctors, we have a lot of topic, but we have selected this humor. And first, I thought of Dr. Tyagi sir and Dr. Banka. To me, they are the best the speaker out for this topic. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And once again, on behalf of Novelty Health Chain, I thank you, all of you, sir. Thanks, Amit. Thanks, Dimple. Thanks,
And
Raja.
best of luck, Samir. Best of luck for your venture. And I hope all those listening to you, become your tremendous followers and supporters.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Banga sir. It was your idea, and we have immediately done it.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Tyagi. Bye-bye.
You can leave now.
Yeah, you leave now. Amit will close this
Thank
session.
you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.